WideOpenSportsman.com, your daily fix of adrenaline. On today's Wide Open Outdoor Adventures Tailgate University segment, we're going to talk about decoys for turkey hunting. So let's start out with this inflatable Jake. You see he's got a little beard here. He doesn't have a big beard like a Tom, but he's inflatable. So he can be rolled up and he can ride along with you in your backpack. Unlike these are much more rigid, much more delicate. You've really got to take care of them, but they look great. But the inflatable has a little bladder inside. In fact, it's got two, so you can make him look a little different. You basically blow him up, add air to these little pockets. So you blow him up, then you zip him up, and you've got your Jake. And he has a little stick that goes in the ground, and he just kind of spins around on his stick. So this is an inflatable, and you really can use a Jake in combination with a hen. This hen is super lifelike. Even the feathers have little sparkles on them and different colorations and hues. And this one is fairly heavy. So look at her moving. It's a hen. The wind will kind of blow her around on her little dowel. She's actually got legs as well that are somewhat kind of rubbery. They've got an elastic or a rubber band, but lots of lifelike features on the face, the wings, the tail. Pretty cool. But the one that I use the most, and the one you've seen me kill lots of turkeys, is this one that I call Henrietta. Now, what makes her unique is that she's very, very light. You see, she will blow around and move even with the lightest wind. And so she has had massive big toms come up to her, and then they can't quite understand why she's not showing some emotion and giving some little putts and communicating with him. But she has been my most effective hen decoy. But you can use a Jake, which is an inferior Tom. See, so he's got a little beard. So these two can be kind of in the woods together, separated by maybe 3 feet. The wind's kind of blowing them around, and you're making the yelp of a hen. So here comes a big Tom through the woods. He hears this yelp that you're actually making with your mouth call, and you're simulating the sounds of this hen. This Jake's in here because he's going to try to mate with this hen. But the big Tom's going to come in and say, "No way, buddy. I'm going to kick you out of here, and I'm going to mate with the hen." So you can use a Jake if you want. I generally don't, but you can use more than one hen as well. So you could have these two decoys in the woods, in the jungle, and it looks like there's 2 hens that are ready to breed. So at the end of the day, sometimes a hen decoy or 2 will work for you. Other times, it actually could work against you because they may not like what they see. They may not think that that's a real hen. But it's amazing how big toms, groups of toms and hens, and even other hens will come up to these female simulated hens, these decoys, and draw the big Tom in right behind, and you can make the shot. So, like I always say, knowledge is power in the wide open outdoors, and I hope you learned something on today's Tailgate University. Special thanks to our amazing sponsors. We couldn't do what we do without them. WideOpenSportsman.com. Just get out there. You know, it's always wide open.